Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing PowerPoint slides in just a few minutes. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below. And it's for free, so let's begin. First, be sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. First of all, open up a blank slide, and the next thing you're going to do is right click on it, and then you're going to go to format background. Yeah, something like this. Next, you're gonna click on Picture Texture Fill and Insert tab, and then you're gonna insert your image. So I have inserted this high resolution image. Now you have to close the background and insert a rectangle that covers the entire slide. Remove its outline and you're gonna give it a fill of black color, give it a matte shape, and increase its transparency. The next thing you're gonna do is increase its transparency too much. Close the format background panel. Next, we're gonna insert a text box that is the header of this slide. We're gonna align it into the middle. Next, we're gonna give it a different font, change its color to white. And the next thing we're gonna do is put it into the middle of the slide and increase its size so that it can be seen clearly. Next, we're gonna insert a text box that is gonna be the header, the very really top header of this entire slide. So I'll just change this font. Let me just choose my font. So let me just browse through these different fonts. I can find my font from here. So this is the font I'm using, which is yeah, so something like this. Next, what you will have to do is insert a text box to give other content text on top. It will include home, destinations, blogs, and best places to visit. And you can also add contact us information. So this is like basic design, a website design interface. So that's how you make this template. By the way, let me tell you this again that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely for free, so you can check it out. Next, we're gonna go to Insert tab, and icons, and then from here you're gonna insert a search icon that we're gonna put right here into this place. The next thing we'll do is decrease its size very much, and then you're gonna change its color to white. It's around the corner just below, just next to the right side of it. You're gonna decrease its size, and next we're gonna change its color. Remove its outline, change its color to white, and give it transparency. Close up on the background, and next you're gonna insert your text. So let me just choose my text. You can either write it into the rectangle or you can insert a text box that is separate from it. So you can add your text in that text box and then you're gonna align it to the right left side. So let me just put it right here. Next thing you'll do is adjust it and put it into the middle of the slide. So that's how you do it. Now we're gonna insert our content text onto the slide and the exchange its color to white and we're gonna decrease its size. Something like this. Next we're gonna put it into the middle and select both the header and the subheader and next we're gonna insert a rounded corner rectangle just below the header. The next thing we're gonna do is insert our text in it and remove its fill and give it an outline of white color. Make it a rounder if you want to make it fully rounder or just have it like this. We're gonna decrease its transparency because I want text to be seen, background to be seen more clearly. So the next thing we're gonna do is select everything and move it downwards. Insert a rounded corner rectangle and make it really, really thick. I mean thin. Yeah, so you're gonna make it thin. Next, remove its outline, give it a fill, and we're going to duplicate it by pressing Ctrl plus D. And for the both of the for both all of them, we're gonna like align them vertically and horizontally. The next thing we're gonna do is like put them right here in a sequence. And for these two, let's just give them an outline and remove their fill because we are onto the really first slide, so this is showing that we're onto the first slide. Group them if you want, and then place them right here like this. Now duplicate this slide and customize your text according to your preferences. Change the background image into an entirely different image. So I'll use this image. And for the text, let me just use a description of a city that is named into this template. And I'll give it the same text format as in the text box before. And I'll change its color. And for this slider shape right here, we're gonna give the fill to the second shape and remove the fill of the first shape. Duplicate the slide into a third slide and change the header of this slide. And while holding shift, move the text onto the left side. Next, we're gonna customize our content text according to our preference. So I'll use this one, which describes the city I have named in this template. Next, we're gonna remove the fill from the second slider and give a fill to the third one. Close the background. First of all, change the background image into a really different image that describes the city. We're gonna remove any extra slides and we're gonna go to the first slide, copy its text box and move them onto the second slide, and then by holding shift, move them upwards. Go to text option, give it a transparency of 100%. Next, we're gonna just place them right here. The next thing we're gonna do is go to selection pane, and from here we're gonna select our text box of the second slide, which are the title and subtitle. Copy them and paste them onto the first slide just below the title of the first slide and give them transparency of 100. Similarly, repeat the process by pasting each of the slide's content onto the previous one just below the previous slide's text. And for the previous slide text, we're gonna select everything and we're gonna give them more transition. So this is the final result of this video, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon. By the way, you can download this template for free from the link in the description below.